Welcome to Known Unknowns. Deep-sea divers have discovered a completely new ecosystem 1,640 feet beneath the water's surface in the Indian Ocean, and it's filled with hungry sharks. Scientists described the region, named the trapping zone and located near the Maldives deep-sea volcano Satoraa, as an oasis of life in a very large ocean desert where swarms of fish and sharks descend to gorge themselves on a cloud of tiny sea creatures. The creatures are called micronecton and are classified as being from 0.8 to 7.8 inches long, ranging from krill to larger organisms such as fish. Micronecton can move independently of ocean currents. They swim to the ocean surface at night to hunt plankton before diving back to the relative safety of the depths at dawn. But in the trapping zone, steep cliffs below the ocean surface, fossilized reefs, and volcanic rock conspire to deter the micronecton from diving any deeper than 1,640 feet. Instead, their lives play out in a nightmarish marathon as they are chased around an endless loop by a train of ravenous sharks. This has all the hallmarks of a distinct new ecosystem, Alex Rogers, a marine ecologist at Oxford University, said in a statement. The trapping zone is creating an oasis of life in the Maldives, and it is highly likely to exist in other oceanic islands and also on the slopes of continents. The strange new ecosystem was discovered as part of the Necton Maldives mission, which is sending submarines to around 3,300 feet below the ocean surface near the Maldives' 20 natural atolls to systematically survey and document their largely unexplored depths. Satoraa is a roughly 15 nautical miles circumference seamount, an ancient extinct volcano which during its formation suddenly rose 4,921 feet from the ocean floor. The predators that hunt the micronecton and each other during the vertical migration are schools of tuna, large deep-water fish such as the spiky Oreo and Alfonsino, as well as sharks. By beaming the lights of their Omega Seamaster 2 submarine onto the thronging fish, the divers spotted tiger sharks, six-gill sharks, sand tiger sharks, dogfish, gulper sharks, scalloped hammerhead sharks, silky sharks and rarely seen bramble sharks. The scientists captured footage of the ocean creatures, collected biological samples and scanned the region's underwater topography with sonar. The scientists believe that by studying the murky region in detail, they can learn how it developed its weird yet durable ecosystem, and figure out how to better preserve micronecton, whose plankton food source is threatened by climate change. The survival of the micronecton is crucial for the Maldives, for whom fishing makes up the second biggest industry besides tourism. If global warming continues at its current pace, almost 80% of the Maldives will become uninhabitable by 2050.